I'm Latif El Gurg, the creative director and founder of Twisted Roots. We do everything that's involved in clothing manufacturing. We've had a very large variety of clients here. We've had a few that are starting out and trying to figure out where they're going. And we've also worked with clients who are established designers here and they just need production to go through. So it would be sketches, then we would work with technical drawings, then work from the technical drawings onto the patterns and develop mock samples. And then we would go into a final sample in final fabric. And once those are approved with all the trims, finishes, we'd go into production. So it's very fluid. And I can't say there's only one way to do it, and that's what I actually love about the process. I hope it gives people that sense of a story because it's a brand born out of discovery and exploration. We're invested in what the client wants, and that's what's important to us here at Twisted Roots. That everybody actually, their visions become a reality and a true reality of what they wanted.